motorcycle drive dito sa Sandal Subdivision. Salamat. Happy birthday kay Leon.
From Ninong Zaldi.
I don't know the last name. Oh.
Ona.
Oh.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Tony Castro, Grachel's dad,
Ay,
and
happy birthday. Yes.
Gia. Happy birthday today.
And to Darla, happy birthday.
Correct.
Sulit Pinoy rice toppings. Maraming salamat.
Friends of Patrick Lucas. Patrick from the States.
Hi, Patrick.
Yeah. Happy 6th anniversary sa Ichiban Library in Daly City. And hi to Edna and Ben Ramos. May watch us on TFC.
That's good.
Hi.
Hello. Kayo ba may mga pasasalamatan? May babatiin? Go ahead. Easy.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta ng PBB. Maraming salamat kay Mayor Alex M. Arana. Siya po yung sumuporta.
Si Mayor? Mayor what?
Mayor ng Paula, Oriental Mindoro. Maraming salamat po.
Ginastusan ka niya?
Yes.
How sweet.
Maraming salamat, Mayor.
Pag re-election time, you better campaign for him.
He's a good man.
No, to support you,
Right.
diba? Pag sikat ka na, pay back the favor.
That's true. Okay, Nicole?
Thank you po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa Cebu, sa Dumaguete, sa Tanay. Thank you po sa mga Incheckers and Yonex. Thank you sa PBB.
Wait, Chrissy, that's one place I want to go to. Dumaguete. Beautiful, beautiful place. I've been there once many years ago, pero isa sa mga lugar na gusto kong balikan. Robbie?
Thank you po sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, sa tiwalang binigay niyo sa akin, sa Ateneo staff po, salamat po, and sa Yapten Chai family po, salamat po.
Lockman for your watch.
No, she's squared. Maraming salamat. Lockman for your watch. Roberto Cavalli, salamat. Philosophy. Traffic Sandals. Demi, thank you. Dr. Steve Margan, Carl Yao of Nikon Home Appliances. Susan Ko of Pure Gold. Boyso of La Carmela de Boracay. Philosophy Belt, maraming salamat.
Super nice, with the dots.
At
Ganda.
mga kaibigan, ngayong gabi, iniimbitahan ko po ang lahat ng mga taga-Iriga. I will be there to do the question and answer portion. At ako po ay
sweet.
isa sa mga judges. I'm one of the judges of the Binibining Iriga. Maraming salamat at magkita-kita po tayo dyan.
Tinsley at the podium for my dress today. Babby Fuentes for my hair and makeup. Best dressed by Chris and Lucy. Nasa Kashika yan. Thank you to Bench. Thank you to Phil Urena by Showbiz. Facial Care Center. Philip Stein for my watch. Please, the special Chris Aquino edition of Philip Stein is already out in Kronos and Lucerne. 20% of the proceeds will go to cancer charity. So sana po makabili kayo para marami tayong mga may sakit na matutulungan. Executive Optical for my contact lenses. Text Chris on, send it to 2366. Text Boy on, send it to 2366.
Thank you, Chris.
Roberto Antonio, 4260119, 34 Sergeant Esguerra Street, malapit sa ABS-CBN.
And K Magazine, kung wala pa po kayong kopya,
It's
get your
there.
copy now.
Wait lang, I'll tell the three of you, di ba? Parang, you can be a Kim or a Gerald, or you can take the other road, di ba? Kasi parang, I think si Kim at si Gerald, the reason that they're there, they've been pleasant, professional, di ba, boy? And ano talaga,
They work hard.
masipag.
They work hard.
Yun, so
Yes.
parang, sana ma-inspire kayo sa nangyari sa kanila. Kasi, bibihira talaga yung mabiyayaan ng ganyang klase na ganyang kabilis na kasikatan. So, if it's given to you, please take care of it because it can be just as easily taken away.
That's true. Ito-translate ko lamang yan bilang manager. Di ba? Yung paglabas nyo sa bahay ni Kuya is not the end. It is the beginning. Kaya pag nabibigyan kayo ng pagkakataon, guesting dito sa isang palabas, o kaya lumabas sa isang teleserye, kahit gaano kaliit o kalaki ang role, huwag nyong sasayangin. Kasi minsan, isang beses lang yan dumadaan, yung pagkakataon na yun. Good luck. Mabuhay
Make
kayo.
the most of the opportunities talaga.
Mabuhay.
Yeah, and sana, si Sarah Geronimo, sana pansinin ka.
Sarah,
Sana si
kung
Kim
nanonood
Chiu.
ka, si Kim Chiu, di ba? At sana, mag-usap na kayo.
Joseph at ni Jillo. Jillo?
Yes.
Jillo, yeah.
Okay, hi Chilo if you're in Cebu.
Don't break hearts again. May karma yan. It'll happen to you too.
Mabuhay kayo, mabuhay ang Big Four dahil si Beauty po ay nauna na dahil may commitment. Thank you sa inyong panahon.
Thank you for being here. God bless your dad.
Thank you po.
Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat. Ito po ang Boy
And Chris.